Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we'll solve a very interesting problem, that is solve the following simultaneous equations. 2 base log x plus 3 equal to 2 plus 2 base log y and 2 base log x plus y equal to 3. This problem came in IGCSE Admath 0606 paper 21, question number 3 and November 2014. So how can you solve this very interesting problem? So here we'll find out two equations, equation number 1 and equation number 2. So from equation number 1, what will happen? From 1, we can write, instead of this line, 2 base log x plus 3. Here, 2 can be written as 2 multiplied by 1 or 2 multiplied by 2 base log 2 plus 2 base log y. Now, 2 base log x plus 3 here, instead of this line we can write 2 base log 2 square, okay. And here by using the product rule we can write, instead of plus we have to give a multiplication sign, then y will be multiplied here. Now if I cancel 2 base log from both sides, we will get x plus 3 equal to 2 square, that means 4y. So this is the first equation, that is equation number 3. So x plus 3 equal to 4y. So from 2, we can see that 2 base log x plus y equal to 3. So instead of this one, we can write x plus y equal to 2 cube or 8. Now, this line can be written here, x plus y equal to 8. Now, by using the idea of the elimination, we can easily solve this one. If we subtract this equation from the upper one, we can write x minus 6. We'll just subtract, okay? Very simple one. X minus x 0, 3 minus y equal to 4y minus 8. So 4y plus y will be 5y and 3 plus 8 will be 11. Then y will be 11 divided by 5. Now we need to find out the value of x. So how can you find out the value of x? Simple. That is, from this equation or this equation, any equation you can easily solve. So x equal to 4y minus 3. So 4 multiplied by 11 by 5 minus 3. So now calculate. 4 11 is 44 minus 5 3 is 15. 44 minus 15 will be 29. So 29 by 5 will be the solution of x. So here, if you want to keep your answer in fraction form, then you can write it will be 2 whole 1 by 5 or 2.2 as a decimal form. And if I want to keep this one as fraction form, it will be 5 whole 4 by 5 or 5.8 is the decimal form. Now, if I want to check that my answer is right or wrong, then we can check it very easily. Suppose if we want to substitute the value of x and y in equation number 2, then what will happen? Let's see. Now, I want to substitute the value of x and y. Here, the value of x is 29 by, instead of x, I'm writing 29 by 5, and instead of y, I'm writing 11 by 5. Now, if the answer of this one is 3, then we can say that our answer is correct. So let's solve. 2 base log, since 5 is the denominator, LCM is 5, so we'll just add the numerator. 29 plus 11 will be 40. So 40 by 5 will be 8. So 2 base log 8. And instead of 8, we can write 2 cube. So by using the power formula, we can write, instead of this one, 3. And this answer matched. That means our answer is correct. And in that way, we can easily solve this problem. I hope you understand this one properly. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you soon on next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz. Fi Amanillah.